Here's some top tips on how to layer your window like a pro. Before purchasing window furnishings, there are a few things you need to consider about the space and what purpose the curtains need to serve. Do they face the sun? Are they private? Are they above a bed? The answers to these questions will inform what kinds of window furnishings you will choose. Combining sheer and opaque layers is an easy and effective way to control light levels in your home, while also maintaining privacy. A popular choice is sheer blinds with blockout curtains. However, keep in mind that sheers might not be appropriate in certain areas, like bathrooms. Your first layer should, if possible, be hung in the recess of the window. This is the best place to block outside light and will also ensure you have plenty of room for your other layers. Full-length curtains can help give the illusion of a taller room, and they look best when hung over blinds or shutters. Ensure that whatever design or colour you are using for this layer complements your base layer. Also be sure to place your curtain rod or track at least half or 2/3 of the way towards the ceiling. This will create the illusion of a taller room, which is especially handy if you are working with quite a small space. No matter how you decide you want to layer your windows, Spotlight will have the curtains, blinds, and raw materials for you to bring your vision to life.